So I want to show you guys these new canisters I got. I am totally loving them. I think they look really nice and modern. They look great on my counters, and I can also put them in my pantry. Like, either way, I think that they are a great addition to my kitchen. I love that they can save space because you can stack them really easily, and they're even nesting, so like if you don't have something in them and you need to store them, boom, they go on top, they fit on top of each other like that. It's awesome. The lids you can see like fit on really tightly and snugly, so you're not spilling anything. And they are made of really high quality materials. You can see they're really nice and attractive. They're made of carbon and stainless steel, so that's why you can tell on the lid, like, no fingerprints. So it's just one less thing you have to worry about constantly cleaning. They're not gonna be all like smudged and gross all the time. They're really just easy to wipe down and no fingerprints. So that is really awesome. I also love the window right here, which means you can put your stuff in there and you can not only see what is in there, so you know, like, okay, that's my black beans, or that's sugar, or whatever it is. You can see it and you can see how much you have left. So that's really awesome. It's effortless to go through your grocery list and kind of say, like, okay, I'm down to this much flour, I need to add that to my list. I love these. They're a great design. They come in the pack. You're gonna get 3 different sizes. This big guy right here is 90 ounces. This one is 62. I think this one is 30. So we got lots of different options. These are about to replace my old plastic ones and set out here on the counter, and I think they're gonna look great.